I have another video for you guys today, and today I'm going to be reviewing a Igloo portable ice maker. So this model is the Ice 117, and it's the stainless steel color. So here we have a little clear window with the ice bucket, a little ice tray in the back, and you have your. So you just get to this side right here. You can't see it well, it's dark. You have your fan and your same thing as the other side basically, except there's a fan. So you have your add water light, comes on whenever you need to add more water. You have your ice full light, comes on when your ice bin right here is full of ice. And your small ice cube size and your large ice cube size. And also your power light. And your on off button, your selector for the small and large ice cube size. So we've had this for I've had this ice maker for a couple months. Works great, never had any issues with it. It does not work well outside, I have to put that. It works okay when you use it like if it's kinda cold outside, kinda cool. It works best inside. If you put it outside in too hot weather, it starts doing some funny stuff. One time I put it outside and it started cutting off after each cycle, and it was like it was almost overheating because it was just too hot. Because it was like probably like 80 degrees outside in the middle of summer. Okay, so you have your little ice lid, opens up right here, nice large opening, and you got your movable ice basket. Underneath here is your water reservoir. You put some water in there. And by the way, that little white thing at the bottom with the grate on is not a filter. It's just a little screen. That is filter out large particles of dirt and debris. You have your ice sensor right there. It's actually an infrared light on that little black sensor. A little clear infrared light right there. So you have your ice tray, and then you have some tubing back there which sits inside your ice tray, and ice forms around it when it gets real cold. And you got let me move the lamp over here. So okay, there you can see a bit better. So there's your ice tray, and then you have your okay, you can move the lamp out of the way. Okay, your lid closes. You got your Igloo symbol. And they also make another model, like a Frigidaire model, which is the same exact thing as this. Pretty sure I just paid the same company to stamp their little logo on it. So this is an Igloo. And it's got a drain plug at the bottom of it for draining out your water. I cannot show because I cannot put this on the side while it's running. And you see in the back you got your let me back that out. There's a little grating right there. You see some parts in there. Okay, one time I tried, there's a back panel right here where it's separated. One time I tried to take off this panel to clean it out, and I would never be doing that again until a day it stops working. Because it was all I could do to get that panel back on. I mean, it was hard because this little piece right here, it has to go perfectly up in there while you have to bend this piece back. Oh, it was something. It took me hours to get it back on. I was doing all kinds of stuff to try to get back on. And finally, I just pushed real hard and thought I was about to break the thing, and finally just got back on. And it's a nice ice maker. It's about $100 at Walmart. We've had it for probably about half a year now. I was making another batch. Here, I'll show you it. Does that, and then the little thing come forward and scoop it out. There it goes, and it's about to scoop it right out. And into the ice bin it goes. And just filling back up with water now. So once it gets, it's got a timer in it, and once it gets to the proper, the ice cubes form on it, right? It has a little valve in it, and it reverses itself and makes that part of there get warm. And then all the ice cubes just melt off around it and falls off, and that thing scoops it forward into the bin. And then the excess water drains back down, And then as the ice cubes melt, it drips back down into the water reservoir to get made new ice cubes. So you're not wasting any water. It all gets reused. A little clear window. The buttons back here, and large window. And every once in a while I'll wipe it down with some stainless steel wipes and make it shine good again. So that was my video for you today. I went over pretty much everything I could think of, the features of this ice maker. Nice ice maker, works great for me. And you can take the ice and put them inside of bags and store them in the freezer and save them up and dump them inside your cooler. That's what we do sometimes. And then it also comes with a little ice scooper too. You can get ice, put it inside drinks, parties, when you need extra ice. Or if your ice maker is broken on your fridge. Or maybe it's just not big enough. Or maybe you don't have one on your fridge at all. Depends on different models. So here's a great all-around thing. Portable, good for camping. We've used it in our camper before. Works great. So that's all I got for you guys today. Bye.